Hi, this is a timeless tarot reading as per your zodiac. So if you are an Aries ascendant or an Aries sun sign, moon sign, then this reading is meant for you. It is a timeless reading, which means that if you have come across this video right now, then this is the right time to watch this video. This is what is coming up in your life in the next week to 10 days. So let us see what's coming up for you, Aries ascendant. All the Aries guys out there, let us see what's coming up for you. Nine of Inspiration, a lot of work coming up, a lot of work, a lot of workload, opportunity to develop your work. Also, I see a freeing of your spirit. When you work, you will feel that, okay, I am now feeling free with respect to my work and I am feeling fulfilled with work. There may be a sense of being overwhelmed because of your work. This could be work in your workplace. It could also be karma, work action that you need to take in life in general. Seven of Inspiration, a lot of wands energy, inspiration energy coming in. A time to follow your inspiration, a time to be inspired. A time to actually struggle in terms of work. There will be a lot of work, a lot of work deadlines. Things will keep cropping up big time. You could actually find it a little overwhelming. You may feel that, oh my God, this is too much work. There is too much to handle and there is too much to take care of. So much work to be done. So many things coming in from different directions. Let us see what else is coming up for you in this week. Okay, Muse of Emotions. Okay, so you may start off new things in terms of relationships. You may start off a new relationship, or you may start off feel now is the time to get more loving. Be more loving towards the people around you. So that's a good time. What else is coming up in the life of our Aries people? Okay, Page of Swords. You may want to start reading a new book. You may think of developing new ideas. This is the time for great ideas, especially in terms of if you want to write something, if you want to develop something related to writing, thoughts, creativity. If you're in the creative field, then this is a lovely time. You can expect a lot of ideas coming in. And the King of Pentacles, a lot of court cards coming up. So this is also a time of a lot of external influence, Aries friends. You can expect a lot of people around you to kind of come in and influence your life. This is also a time of a lot of inner changes and developing a lot of things within yourself as a person, on the emotional front as well as on the mental front, and then also a time to make those things practical. So I see you not only thinking afresh in terms of how to emote, how to be with people who are around you, how to connect to them emotionally. I also see you filled with ideas and developing your thought processes, and then I see you trying to start new things in terms of practically manifesting things. You could start off with, if you want to start with things like developing your home, this is a fantastic time. If you want to maybe buy a property and make new financial investments that you've been looking for a while, then this is a lovely time to do that. All in all, anything with respect to making your life a little more comfortable, You can expect to be working towards making your home more comfortable, making your relationships more comfortable. A time for traveling. I see travel coming up this week or 10 days. So that's another good news. This travel I see could be related to any of the reasons, because you're kind of really, I see that you're active in terms of work, in terms of relationships. It seems to be an all-round week for you. So the travel could be related to anything. 2 of Cups. Lovely, beautiful. If you have been wanting to meet that special person, whether that person is already in your life or not already in your life, this is the perfect time. You can connect with the people you love. You can connect with the people you want to be with, you want to celebrate life with. This is a fantastic time. You may, even if you are not in a relationship or are not entering into a new relationship, this is a fantastic time for ongoing relationships, because Muse of Emotions and 2 of Cups, both the cards coming in together. I see that this is the time when you will really connect to people around you. The Tower. You can also expect some kind of breakthrough in terms of mental breakthrough, or some information that you had been trying to gather. This is the right time, it could come to you. Some breakthrough that you had been trying to make with respect to, could be your emotional life, could be your relationships, or with respect to work. This is the right time to expect it. In the end, let us take out one angel guidance for you for this week. Let us see what the angels have to say to you. Okay, introspection. I claim time and space for myself. So this is the time when you can go inwards and introspect, take out time and space for yourself in the midst of all this activity that you see, in the midst of traveling, in the midst of work, in the midst of feeling connected with people around you, and in the midst of making breakthroughs, trying to get things developed, making life more comfortable. In the middle of all that, you'll be able to introspect. So it's a very full week or 10 days coming your way, Aries friends. All the best.